Good evening, students. For class 11th and 12th ASL English, we are starting with unit number 4, High Notes, listening activity. In ASL English, we will be doing listening activities. Now, see, listen to a conversation between Meera and her mother. That means you will be listening to a conversation between Meera and her mother. Meera is eager to learn to play the piano. Read the question and choose the correct option as you listen. That means as you listen, you can choose the correct options. Now you will be listening to the conversation between Meera and her mother. As you listen, mark your answers very carefully and very attentively. Now listen to the conversation between mother and her daughter Meera. Mother: Hi Meera, back early from school today. Meera, what she replies? Yes, ma. There's an inter-school music competition coming up next week, and only those who are participating in it need to stay back for practice. So, the rest of us came home early. Now, what mother replies? Surprised. Oh, a music competition. That's nice. Who is representing your class? Mother is asking to Meera. Now what Meera replies? My friend Neha. Remember her? She plays the piano. Mother: Of course, I do. I remember when we attended her concert last August. She is a talented child. Meera: Ma, I would like to learn to play the piano too. Mother: Are you serious? She is asking her daughter Meera. Meera, what she replies? Yes, I am. I love listening to the piano concerts more than any other music concerts. So I want to play it too. Mother: Enjoying a piano concert is one thing. Playing the piano is another. What Meera replies now? I know, but I enjoy piano music so much, I would love to play the piano. What mother replies to Meera now? All right. If you do want to play an instrument, what about the violin? Remember, your art teacher thought you played it quite well during a practice session in class. Meera, what she replies to her mother now? Oh yes, I remember now. I was so surprised at myself when I played a tune so easily. I do feel very comfortable playing the violin. In fact, I think I will be able to learn the violin more easily than the piano. What mother replies now? Now, why do you say that? Meera, well, the other day I tried playing Neha's piano, but I sounded feeble. Neha told me that I needed more stamina to push the keys. Now, what mother replies? Hum. All right, I have a suggestion. You could start with the violin first. Later, you can learn the piano. If you like, I also think that maintaining a violin might be simpler. Meera, oh, I never thought of that. Mother, now what mother replies? Maintaining an instrument can take up your time. Besides, we may not be able to afford a piano right away, which means you can practice only in class. On the other hand, not only can you have your own violin, but also maintain it easily and practice at home. Meera, wow, that sounds perfect. So, this is the conversation what you have listened between mother and her daughter Meera. So, you can listen to the conversation twice. Okay. So, as you listen, mark your answers. So, listen carefully and very attentively, then only try to mark your answers. By the time you can read the questions in your book in Unit 4. In Unit 4, okay, then I will be reading the questions for you. To listen to that and copy the notes in your copy also and mark the correct answers. Okay, so you have to notify in your copy also. Okay, you can listen to the MCQ, notify in your copy, then try to mark the correct answers. So one thing is very important in the listening activity is that you have to listen to the conversation very carefully and very attentively, then only try to mark your answers. So, Unit 4, High Notes. As I told you, now see, I will be reading out the MCQ questions for you. Listening to a conversation between Meera and a mother who is eager to learn to play the piano and her mother, read these questions and choose the correct options. As you listen, mark your answers. Once you are done, listen to the conversation again and complete exercise B also. So, two tasks is given in this. Okay, task A and task B. First, I will be reading out task A for you. So, you will be noting down in your copy also and you will be marking the correct answer. The first MCQ, the inter-school music competition is coming up. Option number A, tomorrow. Option number B, next week. Option number C, next month. Option number D, in a fortnight. Fortnight means a period of 2 weeks. Fortnight, 15 days, 14 days, 15 days. Okay. Now the second one, Meera and her mother are discussing about a guitar classes. Option number A. Option number B, piano classes. Option number C, piano concerts. Option number D, violin concerts. Sorry. Now see the third one. We know that Meera enjoys piano concert because she has been listening to option number A, Neha play. Option number B, other piano concerts. Option number C, Neha's teacher play. Option number D. So you have to mark in this option number A and option number B. In the D option it is given A and B. Now the fourth one, Meera dash learn the piano. Again I am reading the fourth one. Meera dash learn the piano. Option number A, would love to. Option number B, would hate to. Option number C, would not like to. Option number D, would close to. Now the fifth MCQ question I am reading for you. Meera thinks that she can play the piano. Option number A, better than the violin. Option number B, not as easily as the violin. Option number C, as easily as the violin. Option number D, better than Neha. Sixth one, sixth MCQ I am reading for you. Meera mothers thinks that Meera could. Option number A, forgot about piano lessons. Option number B, take up violin classes first. Option number C, attend violin concerts. Option number D, all of the above. Seventh MCQ I am reading for you. Mother thinks that Meera can maintain the violin. Option number A, more easily than the piano. Option number B, not as easily as the piano. Option number C, better than Neha. Option number D, only with great difficulty. Now the eighth MCQ, the last one I am reading for you. Which of these statement is true? You have to tell which of these statement is true. Option number A, mother supports Meera in learning to play a musical instrument. Option number B, Meera hates to play the piano. Option number C, Meera wants to play the piano because of Neha. Option number D, mother does not want to buy Meera a piano. Now the B task. Okay, this was the A task. You have to choose the correct option in this. Now in the B task, listen very carefully. Complete this statement. Meera prefers the dash over the dash. Again listen. Meera prefers the dash over the dash because she is confident that she can learn to play it quicker and better. Again, listen to task B. Complete this statement. Meera prefers the dash. Dash means fill in the blanks. Over the dash, again fill in the blanks. Because she is confident that she can learn to play it quicker and better. Okay? As you listen, mark your answers very carefully and very attentively. Okay? Best of luck. Thank you very much.